Here's a progressive plan to help you start a weightlifting routine from day 1 to day 15. Days 1 to 5, the beginning. Day 1, full body introduction. Warm up with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio, for example, walking or jogging. Followed by 5 minutes of light stretching. Perform bodyweight exercises, 2 sets of 10 to 12 reps each of squats, push-ups, lunges, and planks. Cool down with 5 to 10 minutes of stretching. Day 2, rest and recovery. Allow your muscles to rest and recover. Focus on hydration and nutrition to support recovery. Day 3, upper body focus. Warm up as on day 1. Perform upper body exercises. 2 sets of 10 to 12 reps each of dumbbell or barbell bench press, dumbbell rows, shoulder presses, and bicep curls. Cool down with stretching. Day 4, active recovery. Engage in low-impact activities like walking, swimming, or yoga to keep your body moving without putting stress on your muscles. Day 5, lower body focus. Warm up as on previous days. Perform lower body exercises. 2 sets. 10 to 12 reps each of squats, deadlifts, lunges, and calf raises. Cool down with stretching. Days 6 to 10. Day 6, core strength. Warm up as usual. Perform core exercises. 2 sets of 10 to 12 reps each of crunches, medicine ball twists, leg raises, and plank variations. Cool down with stretching. Day 7, rest and recovery. Allow your muscles to recover. Focus on nutrition and hydration. Day 8, increase intensity. Warm up as before. Perform the same exercises as on day 3, upper body focus, but increase weight or reps slightly. Cool down with stretching. Day 9, active recovery. Engage in light activities to promote blood flow and aid in recovery. Day 10, progressive overload. Warm up as usual. Increase the weight or resistance for each exercise performed on day 5. Lower body focus, aiming for 2 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Cool down with stretching. Days 11 to 15. Day 11, compound movements. Warm up as usual. Compound exercises. 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps each of squats, bench press, bent over rows, overhead press, and deadlifts. Cool down with stretching. Day 12, rest and recovery. Give your body time to rest and repair. Day 13, increase intensity. Warm up as usual. Increase weight or resistance for each exercise performed on day 6. Core strength, aiming for 3 sets of 8 to 10 reps. Cool down with stretching. Day 14. Active recovery. Engage in light activities to aid recovery and prevent muscle stiffness. Day 15. Full body challenge. Warm up as usual. Perform a circuit workout. 3 rounds of 10 reps each of squats, push-ups, lunges, dumbbell rows, shoulder presses, and planks. Cool down with stretching. Remember to maintain proper form throughout each exercise, prioritize rest and recovery, and gradually increase the intensity and weight as you progress. Additionally, listen to your body and adjust the plan accordingly if you experience any discomfort or fatigue.